Hello, today I'm in Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage cruise control. In the beginning, start driving and accelerate to desired speed. Next, take a look behind the steering wheel. Right here, we've got this lever. Press button located on the top of the lever to start cruise control. You can see that cruise control is activated by this icon on the instrument cluster. Next, push the lever downwards. You can now let the acceleration pedal go. To increase speed, push this lever upwards. To decrease it, push it downwards. To pause, pull the lever. And to start it over, again press set minus button to start from the current speed, or rest plus button to start from first set speed. To disable cruise control, press on off button again, and the icon is gone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.